What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and a brand new video. If you are new here, I am Siotos and I want to take this second to thank all the new subscribers who joined this channel the past week. Thanks for hitting that button, for helping this channel grow. I really appreciate all your support. Now I've realized the past week that not everyone's too clear on how to subscribe, so basically all you need is a YouTube account. You click the button below this video to subscribe. It doesn't cost you a cent, it's absolutely free. And if you hit that notification bell next to it, you'll be notified every time I upload more videos. So go ahead, do it now, click that subscribe button, become part of this amazing community and help this channel grow. I really appreciate all you guys' support. Now a few days ago I had to attend a mental well-being workshop at work. Now the morning of the course I had some shit happen at work which I had to deal with first, so went over, turned up to the class late, did the necessary introductions, had to sit at the front of the class, which pissed me off already, and then this lady asked me, name something in life that makes you happy. So for me it was an easy answer. Being the wise ass macho motorcycle riding shithead that I am, I said I ride motorcycles. This lady looked at me and I could tell that she knew that this was one of those dudes who had the answer for absolutely everything in life. So I thought that was it, my questions are done, I could sit and relax the rest of the day and just listen to whatever she had to say. But no, she went ahead and dropped me with the next question. How does riding a motorcycle make you feel? Now, before really thinking about it, I just said, it makes me happy and it makes me forget about all the negative shit in life. But that wasn't true. That's not all it is. So I spent the rest of the day sitting in that class, not paying attention to what she was saying, just thinking, what is it about riding motorcycles that make me feel the way I do? Why does it make me happy? Why does it help me forget about all the negative shit we have to put up with on a day-to-day basis? Now it was an easy enough question she asked, and I was shocked that I couldn't have a simple or easy enough reply that could embody the complexity of what it means to me to ride motorcycles. And I spent the rest of that day thinking about it. And I think it might be the fact that when I'm on my motorcycle, nothing else matters. Every input, every movement you make on that motorcycle determines the outcome of what's going to happen next. You are in full control. There is no room for error. You have to be present. You can't let your mind drift. You are totally accountable for every input and every millisecond of what happens on that motorcycle. Now for some reason us humans always try to control everything in our lives. I see people lose their shit every day because they can't control themselves, they can't control the people around them, or their circumstances. So could that be it? Could that be why I enjoy riding motorcycles? Because it gives me a sense of control? Or is it something else? Could it be the type of bike I ride? Can riding a new bike make me a happier person? I honestly don't think so. Reverend T.D. Jake said in one of his sermons that a man can buy a new car, but if you put the old man in the new car, you will always have the same experience. Now I'll be honest, when I moved to New Zealand, I've already sold my Suzuki GSX-R 750, haven't been riding for a while, came over here and I had to redo the whole process for a motorcycle license. So I went down to the driving school and they put me on a little Suzuki GN250. And when I jumped on that bike and started riding it, I got the same adrenaline rush that I got from riding 240 kilometers an hour on my Suzuki GSX-R 750. So to me, it's not about the bike, it's about riding. A new bike does not make a new man. So if it's not the type of bike I ride that makes me happy, what exactly is it? Why am I so happy when I'm riding my bike? Why when I'm riding my bike do I feel the urge and need to wave out to every biker that passes me? I don't do that shit when I'm driving my car. Imagine waving at every car that comes past. When I wave out to a biker approaching, I wave out to him because I know he feels exactly how I feel, and I know that that rider might be outriding his demons at that very moment. Is it the brotherhood or the camaraderie between riders? Well, strong possibility. Because us humans are hardwired to always want to be accepted, we want to belong to a group. And let's face it, the biking community is a pretty accepting bunch. Yeah, there's a lot of shit talk that goes on when you're out on a ride, and we give each other shit about anything and everything, but that's all good fun, all in good spirit. But is it riding in a group that makes me happy? I honestly don't think so. Days like this, when I'm out here alone with my thoughts, alone on my machine, this is when I'm truly happy. This is when I'm in my happy space, in my zone, away from all the ghosts that haunt me. If you guys have a simple explanation as to why you enjoy riding motorcycles, please tell me about it in the comment section down below. Or if you don't ride, just tell me what makes you truly happy. I honestly don't know why that question bothered me so much, and why I spent all that day thinking about it, and to be honest, I'm still thinking about it. There's no clear explanation as to why I enjoy motorcycling. I think it's a combination of everything. The freedom, the control, camaraderie, my bike, being one of the machine, controlling the input, the people I ride with, the adrenaline, the excitement, the scares. I think it's everything. Riding to me is everything. Well, thanks for listening to a dude who knows absolutely nothing about anything. It was cool having you guys with me on this ride. And before I close out today's video, my post notification shoutout goes to Trevor Johnston. Thanks for hitting that sub button, welcome to the channel, hope you enjoy the content, and thank you very much for helping this amazing community grow. So if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell. It's absolutely free, like I said, and you'll be notified next time when I upload another video. I hope you guys have an amazing week. I'll catch you back here next week with a brand new video. Until then, stay safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the other side.